A data warehouse is one that collects data from many sources and sends it to a company for analysis and reporting. Then difficult questions are asked to generate those reports in the data warehouse. What is a database? A database is a way to keep lots of information organized so it can be quickly found when needed. Most businesses use a kind called a relational database, which stores data in tables made up of rows and columns. Data warehouse and database. A comparison. 1. Purpose. Database, designed to store up-to-date information and accommodate daily use operations such as adding, changing, or removing records. Data warehouse, built to store large amounts of historical data in multiple sources to be analyzed and reported. 2. Data type. Database, keeps detailed information about transactions, like customer orders and inventory changes. Data warehouse, keeping processed and aggregated data ready for analysis. 3. Data structure. Database, utilizes a normalized schema to prevent data redundancy and allow for quick transaction handling. Data warehouse, has a denormalized schema, for example, Star or Snowflake schema, which is designed for fast querying and reporting. 4. Users. Database, accessed predominantly by employees and applications running background tasks. Data warehouse, it is utilized by executives, managers, and business analysts to make decisions. 5. Query types. Database, manages rapid, simple, and repetitive queries for adding, updating, or deleting information. Data warehouse, deals with long, complex queries that examine trends over time and large data. Conclusion. Understanding the distinction between data warehouses and databases enables companies to select the appropriate instruments for their purposes.